ChatGPT Plus is a game changer for how useful ChatGPT can be. ChatGPT Plus adopts ChatGPT 4, which is a way more advanced model than ChatGPT 3 or 3.5. It incorporates the Bing search engine for real-time information and updates. It gives access to ChatGPT Plugins, which leverages the power of apps that you already know to truly make ChatGPT the smartest AI assistant there is. Also, ChatGPT Plus is way more responsive and the answers come back super quick. So we'll do a speed comparison in this video also. Let's get into it.
Start off by going to ChatGPT and log into a session. Down the bottom left, you'll see the button Upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. In the ChatGPT free plan, you can see there's some limitations, including slow or limited use and no access to new features. Coming over to ChatGPT Plus, where you can see it's US $20 a month. It's available even when demand is high, has faster response speed, and you get priority access to new features. Before we upgrade to ChatGPT Plus though, let's do a quick speed comparison of how long it takes to put out a blog post of this length. And on this day, ChatGPT is surprisingly slow and it's taking 5 minutes 40 to write this blog post, which I've sped up at 30 times. By the way, if you'd like some training on how to earn money making faceless YouTube videos with AI automation, click the link in the description for free access. We'll now upgrade to ChatGPT Plus by clicking this button and tapping Upgrade Plan. It'll come over to the payment page. And you can see that because I'm in Australia, it's going to charge me 10% GST, so for a total of US $22. I'll put in my credit card details here, and it says I'll be charged the amount every month, so I'll confirm that. Payment received, and now I've been upgraded to ChatGPT Plus. Access is instant, and we can see when we hover over GPT 3.5, it says it's available to free and plus users, and it's going to be much faster. GPT 4 is available exclusively to plus users. Down the bottom, you can see GPT 4 currently has a cap of 25 messages every 3 hours, so go easy on this. Click on GPT 3.5 and we'll do another blog post the same as before to see how quick it is. And this video is sped up 3x and it's only actually taken 26 seconds, which is 10 times faster than the free ChatGPT. Link sharing is also a new thing in ChatGPT Plus, so we can copy links and send that off to our friends. While we're here, did you know that ChatGPT now has an official iPhone app? Watch this video to learn how to access and download it. Activating GPT-4 and we'll do that same blog post and see how long it takes us. Sped up at 20 times and it's taking 2 minutes. Now, is the content much better? Well, that's questionable. But this is a speed comparison, not a capability comparison. Let's talk about ChatGPT Bing search and ChatGPT plugins. These should both appear up here, but we need to activate them. So let's head on down to settings, and you can see under general, we have the options to change between dark and light mode and clear all chats. Then under beta features, you can see that we can enjoy early access to these new features. So we can turn on ChatGPT Bing search and turn on ChatGPT plugins. And we can just close out of this to save it, but let's check out data controls first, where we can manage, export, delete, and enable these things. Close out of this to save changes. And now when you hover over GPT-4, we can see we have the options between default ChatGPT, browse with Bing, and ChatGPT plugins. So let's select plugins, and you can see at first we have no plugins enabled. So go into the plugin store, we'll see a few notes here about information on plugins, and then we have the plugin store. So starting off with popular, and you can see some well-known apps such as Expedia, Zapier, then coming over to page 2, you can see Kayak. There's at least 24 pages of plugins to browse through. Watch the video above to see some of the best ChatGPT plugins in action. I guarantee you'll learn something. Let's now activate the Browse with Bing plugin, and you can see that we can't activate both Browse with Bing and ChatGPT plugins at the same time. Let's check current weather in Bali to see if we can access real-time information using ChatGPT. And you can see we've got current weather information, so that's working nicely. Using that blog post to do a speed comparison, and we can see it spits out the answer in 3 minutes 20 seconds, and I've sped it up 30 times. It's even given us the answer in a more formal format. It's up to you to see if ChatGPT Plus is worth it for you. Again, it gives you faster GPT 3.5 access, and with GPT-4 you get Browse with Bing and you get access to all these amazing plugins.
Now check out this video to see how to get the official ChatGPT app for iPhone. Also subscribe to the channel so you get more AI updates as they happen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.